So my first follower thought I forgot about it. I didn't forget you were my first follower. I could have pissed. But the other people who unsubscribed me because you're so big. But the first subscriber, they are very good. So guys, don't do this at home. Don't tell your mommy mommy to tell everyone at school to tell everyone at the zoo. So I'm gonna ask, really, I'm gonna call a teacher and they say, no, mommy, don't call my teacher. Now why don't you? Mommy, because I don't want to. Okay, ga jouw teacher weer. Oh, because I just pretty zoo. Like this. My first subscriber